Well, heads up for early risers tomorrow morning. You might be woken up by cannon fire. That's because Fort Jackson tells us they have a holiday run starting at 6 a.m. tomorrow. And during this run, there'll be cannon fire to celebrate each unit finishing the race. So if you live near the Army base close to Darby Field on Jackson Boulevard, you'll hear this noise for about 30 minutes. That'll be from 6:30 to 7 a.m. We're told firing the so-called holiday howitzers is part of Fort Jackson's annual holiday post run.